Today we're making chicken kabsa, a fragrant, spiced rice dish from the heart of the Arabian Peninsula. Get ready for bold flavors and a one-pot feast. Let's get ready. We'll need 1 onion and 5 garlic cloves. These will build the base of our flavor. We're also using 1 yellow onion for frying. It adds a subtle sweetness and depth to the dish. Toast 5 grams of cashews and almonds until golden. This will add a perfect crunch and a nutty finish to our kabsa. Now it's time to boil our chicken. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Now add the chopped onion and garlic we prepared earlier. Now add 1 cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 cloves, 8 to 10 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of mixed spice powder, 2 bay leaves, and 1 dried lime. These spices are the heart of our chicken kabsa, warm, bold, and deeply aromatic. Add a sprig of coriander and keep the leaves aside. Now add 3 pieces of full chicken legs into the pan. These will soak up all the flavors and stay juicy and tender. After adding the chicken, pour in 2 cups of water and let everything cook together until the flavors blend beautifully. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook well. This helps all the flavors come together perfectly. When the chicken legs are fully cooked, take them out and keep them aside for now. Now add 500 grams of washed Basmati rice into the pan. The rice will soak up all those rich, aromatic flavors. Then add coriander leaves and salt. Seal the pan with foil, then close the lid. Time to let it all cook to perfection. Meanwhile, let's place the chicken legs in the oven to roast. This will give them a beautiful golden color and extra flavor. Before we roast, let's whip up a bold seasoning mix to take our chicken legs to the next level. For the seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon each of mixed spices, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and a tablespoon of honey. This blend adds tang, heat, and a touch of sweetness. Now coat the chicken legs with our flavorful seasoning. Make sure they're fully covered for that bold, delicious finish. Place the chicken legs on an oven tray and roast them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This gives them a beautiful golden color and crispy edges. Let's check back on our rice. It should be fluffy and full of aroma by now. After checking that our rice is perfectly cooked, add 4 to 5 green chilies and gently mix them in for a fresh kick of heat. Finally, add the toasted cashews and almonds, along with the fried yellow onions. Give it all a gentle mix for that perfect crunch and richness. Now it's time to plate our chicken kabsa with fluffy rice, roasted chicken, and all those rich toppings coming together beautifully. Top it off with coriander and a lemon wedge, fresh and vibrant. And there you have it, flavorful chicken kabsa, ready to serve and enjoy. Give it a try and let the taste speak for itself. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.